Hey guys, sorry. My name is Stephanie and this is my channel. If it doesn't say it on there, it's going to. It's going to be Simply Steph because these videos are all about simply me in my simple life. I mean, everyday day-to-day things that I do. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. Sorry, I just kind of jumped on here because the light was good and I have Medusa head going on because this is what happens when I go to sleep with wet hair. And it's not cooperating. So anyway, I did a quick eye look, boom, that's it. Neutral lip, nothing else. I just want to do an unboxing, and I got the subscription a couple days ago, and I've been waiting to upload, or to record actually. I have about 27 videos recorded, but I don't know how to edit, and I keep deleting them. So my challenge is my phone shuts off at 19 minutes or a couple seconds after that. So I'm going to try and crank this video out under 19 minutes. That's the goal. If I do it, yay. If not, I don't know. So we're going to try. Anyway, today's unboxing is on Slay Glam bag, or Slay Glam Box rather. It comes in a blue packaging. This is how I got it. Now I did open it just to save time, but here's what it looks like. It comes in this blue packaging, outer packaging, and inside we have this comes in there, and then every month usually what you'll get is this. I just think it's so adorable. I mean, it gets a little messed up, but I just think the concept is cute. It's paper. It's just, I think it's adorable. I don't know. I just like the style of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video real quickly, and let's go over the products I got. I like this subscription. I'm not really sure exactly how much it's. I know it's like $24.99 or something like that, and I think you can get a percentage off on the first one. I'll try and put it in the description box if I can figure it out. How much you can save and all that, and then like how to sign up and the link for them. I will actually do the link for sure in the description box. So if you guys want to sign up, feel free. I love this subscription. I think it's just really great. I know the owner of this subscription works really hard on this, whole thing, and props to her. Anyway, this is first item, okay, is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Face Slay. And these are pretty much like all your basic things you would need to do a face look, I guess. For your actual face, not the eyes or anything, but here it is. And in this packaging comes, if I can open it up real quick, you get you get five full-size items. I think they're 5 full-size, and they do customization. That's why I love this subscription. Like, you can really pick your own colors and everything like that, so it's really great. When not with every single item, but with a lot of the items in the subscription, she'll put a post up on Instagram, and you answer the question as far as color, or pick the product, shade or color you want. Anyway, so I think this is pretty cool. So in this comes, it comes like that. It's I don't know, can you see that? Yeah. And we have a setting spray. Okay. Now I know that there is a in this thing, you usually get, I hate to rip this, I really do. Sorry, guys. Okay, so in here, there should be a card, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is. I can feel it. Okay, so you get a card, right? There it says Slay Glam bag. Thank you for subscribing. And then on there, on the back is a list of products, and she does put the prices on there, so that's really helpful. Okay, so this is the Bella Pierre 4-piece Slay Kit. Okay, so in this, I'm just going to read off the box what it says. You have your, what looks like to be a mist. Let's see. Where is oh, okay. Wow, really? I don't have my glasses. Okay, so for this is the Bella Pierre HD setting spray, and that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. I hope the lighting is not reflecting off there. So really what it is just a mist that you put on your face, but it's travel size, and it doesn't really have too much of a smell, but I like that because I can put that in my purse and have it with me all the time. I think this is awesome for one. This is considered one item, so I mean, come on, guys. And it is retailed. I will tell you, it's pretty high up there. And then you have a little cute little spray blending sponge, and I like these. I have thousands of them, but not one this size, so I'm happy about that. That's awesome. Okay, and then we have the Bella Pierre, which is setting powder. Now I'm going to open it up. I'm not going to, some of these things I probably won't be keeping, but it's got a seal on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a seal on it. And this is the HD finishing powder. High definition translucent powder. So Bella Pierre is a name that I hadn't heard of very much. I keep looking this way because I don't know. If I look this way, I can't see myself because the camera's on this end. Anyway, this Bella Pierre is a name that I hadn't really heard of too much until I started seeing it in subscription boxes, but I know they're very expensive. I know that. And this is what I'm kind of excited for sure. You got to pick, this is one of the customization items. You got to pick either light to medium or medium to dark. And of course, I am so pasty white that I picked the light to medium. And it comes with a like highlighter type thing. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like sparkly. Yeah, it does have like a little, I don't think you can see it on my skin. It's right there if you can see that little bit of shine. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. Now, on the other end is the contouring stick, which I think is just wonderful. I'm all about cream contours because they're just easier for me to work with, blending out and stuff like that. So actually, so that's the kit. I'll show it one more time and then move on to the bag of products that we got as well. So I mean, come on guys, this is a great, I just think it's a great thing, good for a Christmas present, whatever. But we get it in the subscription box, so it's even better because it's worth $55. This kit alone is worth $55. The subscription is doubled now. I could get 2 for the price of this. So I mean, it's paid for itself and then some, you know, twice over. So, okay, I'm just going to set that down because trying to crank this video out, trying to get it done, I can ramble on forever. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out here is, I believe this is, yes, this is Drippin' Diamonds Beauty, and it is Diamond Lip Gloss, and I received the shade, I'm not sure if we were able to select this. I can't remember if this was one of the customization items, but, oh, look at that, that's pretty. I think we were able to select, but look at that packaging. That's so cool. I think that's adorable. Yeah, I do. I like that packaging a lot. This is just nice to just sit on my dresser, even though I don't use it, but I'm sure I will. I have product on my lips right now, but I will swatch it because I absolutely like this color. Where can I swatch it? Let's see. Right here. So it's a very nude type lipstick. It's got just a little bit of wash of color, not much, and that's great because I'm definitely a nude kind of girl. Like that sounded wrong, but I'm definitely nude when it comes to my lips. I don't tend to reach for bright colors too much or dark colors. As you can tell, I'm not 20-something years old, and I just don't gravitate towards those colors. So this is nice. I like this, and it doesn't seem sticky too much. I don't know. I'd have to wait for it to dry down, but it doesn't feel sticky on my skin. So anyway, the next product I'm pulling out is, let's see. This is Medusa's Makeup, which I have heard of. Comes in a little packaging like this. And this, I believe, is eyeshadow. Yes, liquid eyeshadow. Oh, I'm sorry. And this, oh gosh. The Drippin' Diamonds Diamond Lip Gloss is valued at $19. So, wow, right? $24 you get this. And I know that everybody talks about the other subscription that's all over the place that just up their boxes to include another $35 box. They do give a value too, but my value is if I can use the stuff, if I'm going to like what's in the subscription and use all the products. So here we have, it's just a very sheer, well, let me just show you the packaging too. This is my first video, guys. Bear with me. I promise I'll get better. So this is cute. I mean, that's just a little cute little thing. I like that. Actually, I think that's very cute. And let's do a swatch. This is maybe like a, oh yeah, okay, so let's see. This is maybe an eye topper. Yeah, this is very sheer. Very sheer. I wonder if it builds up. Yeah, you can build it up. Yeah, see? You can build it up more and more. But I would use this over top of something to add a little sparkle to it or a little shimmer if you want. But yeah, I'm getting more into liquid eyeshadow, so I'm happy to get this for sure. And that is valued at $13. Okay, so fourth product. Let me see. We always tend to get some kind of palette. And, oh wait, first here, oh, I was excited about these too. Okay, so this is the Crown, which a lot of people don't talk about Crown. the brand too much, but I like their brushes, and their makeup is okay. You know what I mean? I don't have any problems with it. So this is the Crown Brush 3-piece eyeliner set. So this comes in 3 different colors, and I am so happy to have this because I have so many black eyeliners. I think I have a couple blue ones and maybe 1 green or something, but these come in 3 different shades, which I'm going to go ahead and quickly swatch because I'm at 10 minutes already. So sorry for the rushing. I'm just trying to get the video out and be able to upload it. So we have 3 colors. We have, this one is in Golden Nugget, which I don't know. I'm going to have to do it on this hand, which I am terrible being left-handed. So this is just basically a, oh, that's pretty though. I think I would definitely use that. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. It's got like a gold reflection to it. Yeah, see that? Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I would definitely use that like in the waterline or something. Absolutely. Now, and they're creamy. That's really, I thought maybe they'd be like hard and like, you know, hard on your eyes, but so far, no. And no, they're not. They're so creamy. Look at that. Okay, and that blue is awesome. That is something I would get into. I have really light green eyes, and they actually change sometimes depending on the eyeshadow I wear or what kind of shirt I wear. So that one was, let's see, what shade was that? I know it's a blue, but Electric Sky. So that's the name of this one. And the third one we have is more of a green one, and that is, let's see, I can't read that. Oh, dark green. So it's self-explanatory, and I'm going to put it right next to the blue. Yeah, that is so creamy. I'm liking that. Forgive my swatches. They're terrible. I will get better with time. Yeah, that's absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to wear these. I'm so happy to get a different color eyeliner than black, you know. Anyway, so we usually always get some type of palette with the subscription, and this month was no exception. We got to pick. Well, no, I don't think people mistook that we could pick. And if you looked at the post correct, like really good, it said either or. So I think that she just kind of went with her gut and gave us what she, you know, they chose it. We didn't get to choose. I did put what I would prefer before I realized that we didn't have a choice. But, so I don't know which one I got. This is from Fancy is the name of the brand. Here, I'll hold it up. Fancy eyeshadow palette, and it is pressed powder eyeshadow, and here's what it looks like if I can get it out of the box. Okay, see the packaging. I like that holographic. I like that. I like that. Like shininess. I'm all about shiny. Oh, and this is cute. So this is just a fall. Let me take that wrapper off. Oh, it's stuck on there, right? Yeah. Well, see, and it's stuck on there, and the shadows arrive perfectly. People were always worried because of that packaging, that this thing right here, that things were going to get smashed. I've never had anything come damaged at all, ever. So in here, if I can get this off, why can't I get this off? Oh my gosh, this is why I need to learn how to edit. Because, okay, here's a little tab. Let's try this. There you go. Whoa, hallelujah. So let me not blind you in that light. Okay, so here's just a regular natural palette. I mean, I'm going to swatch a few of these because I want to see how they perform. Wow. Okay, so that's really nice. Let me do a shimmer alongside it. I am terrible at swatching, guys. So I mean, the pigment, oh god, you can't even see that. How do I do that? Let me get to the side. Yeah, like my vacuum cleaner in the back. That's funny, right? Don't mind the room. I'm redoing, this is my makeup room. I'm redoing everything, and yeah, so it's a mess right now. But those colors, you can't even see those. I don't know what I'm doing here. Definitely am not a swatcher. Let's see. Let's try here. Okay, so that is like a, you can't really see it in here, but that is like a goldish bronze color, if you can see it. So this is a really cool, I mean, this is a great fall palette. It really is. I definitely like this kind. I gravitate more towards the purple, reds, corals, and things like that. So because of my eye color, it helps to like bring out the green, I guess. That's what it says on the color wheel anyway. So I apologize if it seems like I'm looking to the side, but I'm not yet used to where the camera is actually. I'm using my phone, unfortunately, but I am working on it. I did get a ring light, so next is a better phone to record on, and then hopefully I'll have a camera. very soon after. I definitely need a new phone just because I need a new phone. This one isn't bad at taking pictures and stuff, but like I said, it only goes to about 19 minutes because of my memory, I guess. It's blinking, so I guess that means it's recording. And I can go in and out, see? Oh, wait a minute. There you go, see? Hey. Okay, so let me bring you back up. Okay. So, that was Slay Glam Bag. Right there it is. For the month of November 2019. I'm sorry it's out late, guys. Like I said, I have been terrified to upload a video. I recorded so many and then deleted them just because, I don't know why. I'm scared. But I'm going to do this. I want to do this channel. I have a lot of stuff to talk about. Just a little sneak peek into what this channel will bring very quickly. I'll go over it. If you subscribe to my channel or watch my videos or whatever, you will not only get the unboxings and stuff, but you'll see me in my goofy life, because I'm goofy. I really am. I love to laugh. I love to make people laugh. And I just, you know, I'm just a simple person. Like, it's just, I'm just who I am. I am who I am, and that's all I am. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and you know, do unboxings and whatnot. And also what I really wanted to talk a lot about, but I can't do it because I'm coming to the end of the video, but I'm just going to give you a little hint, or a little preview, I guess. I'm a product tester. So not only do I get subscriptions, but I also get tons, and I mean tons, of full-size free products. Not always skincare, not always makeup, although I do get a lot of those. I get, like, cat supplies, because I have a cat. Pet supplies, if you will. Clothing, bedding, curtains, shoes, food, you name it, I get it, and I get tons of it. Now, I can do it on a phone. I don't have a computer. I don't even own a computer, guys. I really don't. I don't own a computer. So, I'm getting one. Eventually, I'm saving for that right now, but I don't have one. So, I'm able to do this with just my Android phone. So, imagine if you have a computer, and it's so easy. It doesn't cost a dime. All it takes is your little bit of time. Like, you decide. You pick your hours. You pick how long you want to spend on it. Because the more time you put into it, probably, I would say, well, I've noticed, the more time that I put into it, the more stuff that I receive. And the more times, because what you do is you get free items, full size, you try them out, and then the companies would like you to give your opinion about them. And I am a very opinionated person, so that comes very easily to me. If I like something, I like it, and I'll say it. If I don't, I will. And that's what the company wants. They really, really want you to be honest about it. They're not giving it to you so you can blow fluff up their butt, so to speak. They want the truth. They want you to tell them what you think about the product. And if you don't like the product, you say you don't like the product, but always back it up as to why. Same thing if you like it, say why you like it. If you think you have an idea that what can make the product better, then go ahead and add that in. It's just, they just want like a paragraph or two, and most of the times they'll send you something in your email for you to fill out. So it's already formatted. Other times they'll just ask you to post on your Instagram or your Facebook. So if you have Instagram, Facebook, you can absolutely do this. I do it all the time. It's like Christmas every day at my house from the mail. I can't wait to see my mailman because I get FedEx, UPS, and regular mail, and it's constantly coming. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, I'm going to teach you. And if you already are into it, maybe I have some tips that can save you some time. And, you know, I've tried everything I'm going to tell you about. I've tried myself. Okay. Just know that. So I'm not talking out my butt. I know what I'm talking about. And I've been doing it for 3 years. So that's the end of the video. I'm thanking you very much for tuning in. I hope I'll have another one coming up soon. I have behind me tons of subscriptions there that I haven't even opened yet, and I want to get through those as well. So this is me saying so long with my swatches, fingers, and all.